Wow, what an adorable little snail. Today, it came to find me and took me on a tour of its home. I was busy, but I tried my best not to disappoint it. They sure have a big family. Just a quick glance shows dozens of them in just a tiny patch of ground, less than a square meter, living together, crowded but cheerful. One of them is standing guard up high, gazing into the distance like a little watchtower sentinel. Two more are hidden beneath the dry leaves, camouflaged, guarding the supplies and transportation for the whole battalion. This one was just on its way to the market when this morning's heavy rain blew it off course. Now it's completely lost on the way back home. They're gentle and welcoming creatures. All of them are just trying their best to survive in a world that's anything but easy.